Hawaii, a paradise for sunseekers and surfers. But hidden on this beautiful island, there are scars from a day of infamy. The attack on Pearl Harbor. And across the island, the Japanese would go on to damage or destroy almost 350 of the 390 U.S. aircraft. The strategy had worked. U.S. air defenses had been devastated, their eyes and teeth neutralized. Now the Japanese could turn to their main target, Pearl Harbor. It's here that the deadliest event of that day occurs. Pete's next task will be to reveal the site of that most infamous tragedy as never before.
Unbelievable!
The next step in the Japanese first wave is the attack on the Navy base here at Pearl Harbor. And it begins at about 7:55 a.m. They had expected to find aircraft carriers, but they didn't find any. And so they focused much of their attack on this, the eastern side of Ford Island.
The Japanese prime target is now the 7 battleships moored up in a line called Battleship Row. They attack first with torpedo bombers, flying as low as 50 feet. The battleships Oklahoma, West Virginia, and California are all hit by these 800-kilogram torpedoes. Then the high-level bombers attack, dropping armor-piercing shells from around 10,000 feet. And then, 15 minutes into the attack, the Japanese score their most devastating hit on the battleship Arizona. Caught on film in this extraordinary footage. The destruction of the Arizona causes the largest loss of life that day. 1,177 men are killed, more than died on all the other ships put together.
Arizona, up until that moment, up until 8:06 a.m., was this magnificent piece of national prestige, the pride of the Navy, literally. You can still see her. She's still here. The buoy there marks the bow of the ship, and there's another buoy back here that marks the stern. 608 feet long, beautiful, beautiful ship.
Now, this mighty battleship is preserved as a memorial under the custody of the National Park Service. And today, Pete is going to join Park Service divers as they scan the wreck.
I never get tired of this, ever. This is one of the greatest things I get to do, just to be here, but to actually contribute to some of the actual hard work and the science is just incredibly meaningful to anyone who's here and gets to get in the water.
Pete is hoping the data he collects will show why the Arizona suffered so much more damage than any other ship. The first phase of Pete's investigation is to create a new 3D model of the exposed upper deck of the ship.
We're here at the USS Arizona. How can you not just be amazed by a sight like this? These are bowls that sailors no doubt ate out of. Beautiful white hexagonal tiles here in the area of the galley.
Here, we actually might have what could be a bomb penetration hole. So the bombs came through the deck. You have the skin of the ship. You can see it curves as it exploded.
A site like this is a great place where we can use photogrammetry to monitor the change that's obviously going on here. So we will swim around this site with a camera taking pictures as we go. You can literally fly. Here's an open hatch. I'll have a go at it. The right camera, you can get not only beautiful models, but important models, valuable models. Oh my gosh. Like a leather boot of a sailor. That's just astonishing. It really puts the humanity on the Arizona, because everything about this